But yeah, talk about a gorgeous day for softball. National Balloon Classic tonight again. You can see pretty decent weather. Wind's not going to be as much of an issue as we're seeing right now. 84 degrees by 7:30, and those winds sitting in the single digits down towards 8:30 as well. So across downtown, it's pretty quiet right now. We have relatively clear sky. Temperature at 89 degrees. Dew point has been inching up though, so it's feeling a little bit muggier out there. That feels like temperature at 91, and you look across the state. It's dry out there. Got a little bit of cloud cover on the eastern edge of the state out near Cedar Rapids. Otherwise, rain trying to work its way in out near Sioux City. It's very slow to move, though. That rain's been kind of sitting in the same spot for a while here. And we look regionally speaking, and it's pretty quiet. If you're heading to the west, still have a chance at some showers out near Rapid City, and maybe even got a tornado warning south of Denver. But we've got a front that's just kind of hanging out to the northern edge of the state. And that could eventually kick off some showers and some thunderstorms for us. And that's a cold front that's going to drag its way across the state tomorrow. Could even kick up some stronger storms into tomorrow evening. So if you're waiting to do your traveling until tomorrow night, could be a little bit soggier for you. But notice this area of high pressure sliding in behind the front. That's going to mean sunshine for us for at least the first couple days of our week. So 89 degrees again tomorrow if you're traveling to the north, chances for showers and thunderstorms there. And again, we'll get that chance later on in the day. But you look west of us, it's cooler out there. 83 for Rapid City, North Platte at 88, 95 in Dodge City. And if you got plans to head out to the USA Track and Field Championships tomorrow, it's going to be a little breezier. May not start off breezy as that event starts, but you work your way in towards the afternoon hours, and we're talking sustained winds around 15 miles an hour. Could see gusts upwards of 25 to 30 miles an hour. So you're going to be doing a little bit of good old-fashioned resistance training while you're actually competing out there. And if that's not enough, more chances for showers and thunderstorms into the evening hours as we start to see that front make its way across the state. So let's track that out for you. Notice the stray showers that we've got to the north along that warm front. And then as the low pressure slides its way in, that'll bring showers and thunderstorms largely north of the state. And cold front starts to work its way through the state into tomorrow evening and into the overnight through Monday. Look at that kind of bowing area of storms to the south. Could mean some pretty strong winds tomorrow night. So that continues to depart, and behind that, a lot of us starting off the day on Monday with a little bit of cloud cover. But we may see cloud cover to start. Those clouds will break, though, into the afternoon, and that's going to mean sunshine for us. But check out the winds. Not bad at noon tomorrow. Keep in mind these are wind gusts. Watch what happens in just a few hours, though. Those wind gusts are eventually going to uptick into the mid to upper 20s of miles per hour just into Sunday afternoon and eventual evening. 28-mile-an-hour wind gusts for the metro. And you go north, and we are talking wind gusts upwards of 30 miles per hour. So 8-day forecast. Got a whole lot of sun throughout your work week. I hate to say rain lands on the weekend again. I know Scott's probably going golfing or something. Doesn't want any part of that. 80 on Tuesday. Again, cooling down a little bit. You look at those morning lows. It's kind of an indication of the moisture that we've got in the air. Upper 50s both Tuesday and Wednesday with more chances for rain starting on Friday.